Done. Hello friends, good morning. I would like to give you the advanced legal outline which is up to the speed of 120 and above. Let's start. Then this is the Bar Council of India. The Bar Council of India and the State Bar Council. This is for council are statutory bodies are statutory bodies bodies under the act full stop. The next is the Bar Council of India. The Bar Council of India has laid standard of has laid standard of standard laid standard of standard of standard of professional conduct के लिए अब you can do that also. Conduct for the members stop. Then next is the code of conduct. I am giving the special outline. The code of conduct in the circumstances can never be exhaustive. This is for exhaustive. The next outline is charged with the responsibility. Charged. This is for charged with the responsibility of maintaining पूरा बनाइएगा, otherwise तो maintaining. This is maintaining discipline. This is for discipline. Members and punishment and punishing members and punishing. This is punishing those who go astray. Those who go astray. Astray के लिए आप ये बनाइएगा, astray. This is astray, ASTRAY. The next, astray from the path of rectitude This is rectitude set out for them. This is set out for them बना सकते हो, full stop. Thank you दोस्तों. You can make the practice and take it 120 and above percentage of your speed. Thank you. Yes friends, I am again giving the special and legal outlines which is very beneficial to make the practice in advance, and you can get the speed of the 120 and above 130 likely to be maintained. Then let's start. This is the transfer and joinder. Transfer and joinders of petitions. This is petitions and trials under the civil procedure code. The civil court has power of rejoinder of causes of action causes of action. Next, actions. Causes of action. You can make it very convenient. Then the Hindu Marriage Act. The Hindu Marriage Act and the Special Marriage Act now contain a specific provision. Now contain a specific provision. And now a specific provision in this regard. Next point is, you can do it. Parties may present petitions in different courts. Petition as in different courts. Then next point is Civil Procedure Code. Civil Procedure Code contains a comprehensive provision relating to the courts, journal power, transfer and withdrawal. Thank you, dosto. You can touch it down and make the outline for your highest speed also. Thank you very much.